Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will see how we can save a part and assembly into a 3D PDF file. So I'll open up one part. So this is the part we have. So to save a 3D PDF, I have to go to File, then click Save As. Then from this drop down, if you can see, Adobe Portable Document Format, that is .pdf. So to save a 3D PDF, you have an option here. You have to check this. So that is when the file will be converted into a 3D PDF. And next you have an option that is to open the file once it is saved. I will uncheck it because my default 3D PDF viewer is Internet Explorer. So now I can right click this and open using Adobe. So now this file is open. You can rotate it. There is other features that you can do it in this 3D PDF. You can create sections of the model. In case if it is an assembly, you can also see the tree, feature tree that we see in SolidWorks. You will be also able to hide specific components, and that is why this is a very widely used and important feature that you should know, because it will help you share a design for someone to review who doesn't have an access to a 3D software. You can just share it through 3D PDF. If he has Adobe PDF viewer, he can directly open it and he can view the document. That's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned for more video on SolidWorks.